Our site area, it is called Central Kingstown Watershed, and Kingstown is the capital of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, so it's the heartbeat of our island, and we decided to choose that as our specific site area. Now, this area is located at the south of the island, and it drains right down to the coast, where we have our primary fish landing facility, our Kingstown Fish Market. And just adjacent to that, right now, the government is constructing a new seaport. Hence the reason why we decided to do this area, because we are concerned about the impacts of this seaport on our coastal landscape right there. So also within this site area, it is densely populated, a lot of housing, commercial activities, education activities, and transport infrastructure is present as well. Now, when we come back down to the coast, just west of our area is our Edinburgh Point, where a lot of patch reefs, we have a lot of patch fringing reefs that hugs along that coastal area of that site located at the west. Some of our mapping features that we looked at.
Some of the mapping features that we looked at is housing density along the riverbanks, commercial activities, river pollution bank civilization methods, schools, fishing boats, fisheries infrastructures, coastal pollution, and infilling from the port construction. Then we go straight ahead to the flight plans and the baseline mapping. As Mr. Antrobus said before, we did the Central Kingstown Watershed site. It's 291.5 acres. We took 560 image captured. Each of the flight lasted about 40 minutes. Overall, we changed 3 batteries, and we did the flight over 2 days. We had, during that flight, we were flying at about 120 meters. We did full panorama. On the full panoramas, we took 26 pics each, 26 photos. And from, as you can see on the map, from the mapping result, for the entire map, we did the Central Kingstown Watershed, as I said before, where it is 291.5 acres. Full panoramas, the full panoramas give us 104 pics, 26 pics each. Over 100 plus annotation measurement. We got 14 fishing boats, 51 residential houses, 1 public bath, 10 commercial buildings, 2 schools. Overall, with wastewater pipes leading into the river, we had 15 to 1 fisheries complex, 2 jetties at the fisheries center. Also included in the watershed was 1 botanical gardens. And the siltation from the port, construction, grey water runoff from the river, and turbidity issues from the port construction.
So for the panels that we took, these are just some of the images. This panel, we did it more inland, where we captured one of the river that drains to the coast there. The other picture on the left, we would have earmarked one of our sites, our Central Water and Sewage Authority office, one of the commercial buildings present. This other panel, we took 2 at the coastline. And if you notice, these pictures, they really gave us a really deep picture of just how bad the turbidity issue is as it relates to the construction that is going on right now. The one at the right, if you look closely, you will see the turbidity drifting to the west end of the island, because the drift is moving in a westerly direction where our reef are present. So we have some concerns there as it relates to this construction, this site, this project that is under development right now. And the panels, pictures were able to give us this insight. Quite an extensive picture of what really is going on. For future monitoring strategies, we have decided that we really would have to fly back the same flight path quarterly. We have to do it quarterly over the lifespan of this project that is going on. And also, we are just approaching our rainy season, the hurricane season. So we know for sure at the end of each adverse event, the very next day, we had to be out there again, flying over the same path to look at the destruction and to be able to compare against this base map that we have created here right now. Also, alongside the drone technology strategy, we also have to incorporate water quality testing. We have to also incorporate some reef assessments, do some dives to find out, to get a better grasp as to just how extensive the sedimentation would be on our reefs. That's it from this end. Thank you very much.